I feel like I appreciate all different types of architecture, and especially in a city like Chicago because it's all layered. Of course, with the Great Fire in 1871, the city had to be rebuilt. That's why it's called the Second City. So you have all layers of history and architecture here.
We like to define our apartment as pretty eclectic. A lot of it is collected things that we've, acquired over the years. One of the first things I noticed when I moved to Chicago from Manhattan was, oh my God, there is so much sky here. And it is definitely something that defines this city. A river runs through it, it's on a lake. I mean, what could be better?
Mario and I have been at Sentral for 3 years, and we've been happy here ever since. It's a refuge, it's a sanctuary, but then you walk out and you have the city at your feet. Literally, Grant Park is right there, and it's called the front porch of Chicago. And that's where all the big events take place, and we're happy to have it as our view.